Today, the creator of the new age is seeing his children who have a right to the new age. Today, you are ordinary in this old age, whereas tomorrow, in the new age, you will be worthy of worship. Those who have the right to the kingdom. It is a play about today and tomorrow. What are you today and what you will become tomorrow? For especially knowledgeable souls, children, the tomorrow that is to come is as clear as today. All of you have come to celebrate the new year. But Bap Dada is seeing the new age. Each of you must have already created your new plan for the new year. Today is the end of the old year. The result of the whole year is seen at its end. Therefore, today, Bap Dada also saw the result of the children for the whole year. It doesn't take Bap Dada long to see this. So today, Bap Dada especially saw the savings account of each one of you. All of you children made effort. You also stayed in remembrance. You did service also, and also fulfilled your responsibilities to your Laukik and Alaukik close contacts and relations. However, how much did you credit in your savings account in all these three aspects?
शिक्षक तुम्ही रक्षक तुम्ही दिल के तुम्ही सहारे हो मिला सारे रिश्तों का प्यार तुमसे ओम शांति
आपका स्वागत है। आज है दिन 29।
Om Shanti. Welcome you all to Avyakti Parivar, be full with the feeling of uplifting others and have many mercy on those who defame you. Today's topic is uplift the weak souls.
स्वोपकार करने की इच्छा है, लेकिन हिम्मत और शक्ति नहीं है। ऐसी निर्बल आत्माओं का उपकार करने वाले आप पर
At present, there are so many souls who are very weak.
तो उपकार सच्चे दिल से होता है।
You children who lift up others are instruments to uplift such weak souls. Only with a true heart can you uplift others. In order to have a right to sovereignty of the kingdom of the world together with uplifting yourselves, you have to uplift others. Let us listen to Mohini Didi now. Om Shanti.
शांति ओम शांति।
Om.
बाबा मुरली में जो कुछ सुनाते हैं
Whatever Baba tells
जिंदगी
us
में
in
सबको
Murli,
सुनता ही होगा।
do you all think about what Baba says in Murli during the day?
आज बाबा ने कहा, बाबा क्या देख रहे थे? जमा
Today, Baba, what did Baba say? What was Baba seeing? He was looking at
कमाना भी
our
जरूरी है,
treasures.
खर्चना भी जरूरी है।
How much have we accumulated? Accumulating,
इमरजेंसी के लिए रखना भी
earning, and
बचाना भी जरूरी है।
spending and
4 महीने
saving.
का बजट
All this is very
क्योंकि कई
important.
बार अचानक
Budgeting is very important.
खासकर जिनके घर
Sometimes
होते हैं,
there will be,
बिजनेस होता है, कोई बड़ा खर्चा
sometimes
आ जाता है,
achanak
तो बचत
expenses.
सारी उसमें लगानी पड़ती है।
So sometimes there are times when unforeseen
तो बाबा
circumstances
हमेशा
come and you have to
सबको
spend everything on that.
सभी सेंटर्स के लिए भी
So Baba also has
3
told
महीने कम से कम
all the
हर महीने
centers
खर्चा होना चाहिए
to keep
और लोगों
a
के पास भी
stock for 3 months
क्या
at
जॉब है
least,
नहीं है कुछ भी है
even with all the
तो
householders too.
संकल्प
We don't know, right? Today there is
यहाँ
job,
से पता नहीं
tomorrow there
चलता
may not be.
संकल्प
There is
कैसे
uncertainty. Another treasure is that of
समय का
thoughts.
खाता
Then comes the treasure of
फिर
time.
वही दोनों गुण हमारे तन और धन की तरफ जाते हैं
These two are the treasures
कभी
that
भी
go
अपनी
towards
एनर्जी
our
इतनी
body
इतने
and
एग्जॉस्ट नहीं हो
towards
जाए
money.
कि गाड़ी चले नहीं रहे
Let us not
और
exhaust
सुस्त भी
ourselves
हो
so much that
तो हर एक चीज
we
की
are so
जमा
tired.
खाता देखना होता है
So make sure to
तो अगर
accumulate
उतना समय होता
treasures.
है
If
तो
we
दूसरे
have
को भी
accumulation of all the treasures, then only we can
इसलिए
donate to others. That's why
आज का कल के लिए जो होमवर्क है
today's homework, that is homework for tomorrow, is
तो उसमें बाबा कहते हैं वर्तमान समय
uplifting weak souls. Baba
अनेकों
says,
के
at present,
स्व उपकार
many souls have the desire to uplift the
हर एक चाहता है ना आगे
self.
बढ़े सेवा ज्यादा करें बेहद
Everybody has this, right, goal that let me
सबकी मर्जी है
uplift
कर
myself
नहीं पाते हैं
and my family. But are we able to do that?
कमजोरी होती है कोई
Not able to because there is some
बाबा कहते हैं
shortcoming.
कि वर्तमान समय
So Baba is
अनेक
saying,
आत्माओं में
at present, many
स्व उपकार
souls
करने की इच्छा है
have the desire to uplift the
लेकिन
self,
हिम्मत
but
और
they don't
शक्ति
have the courage
दोनों नहीं है
or power.
तो बाबा कहते हैं ऐसी निर्बल आत्माओं का
You children who
उपकार करने
uplift
वाले
others are
आप
instruments
परोपकारी
to
सच्चे
uplift such weak souls. You children are instruments to uplift such weak
आजकल काम
souls.
होता है कई बार चलते चलते कार रुक जाती है तो आजकल तो बुला लेते हैं ना सर्विसिंग के लिए
Moini Didi is given example of car. Before, it doesn't happen much these days. If the car stops on the road, there is roadside assistance these days. But before, it was not there.
दूसरों का उपकार करने वाले
So,
आप परोपकारी बच्चे निमित्त
Baba is calling you children as the instruments to uplift such weak souls.
उपकारी बच्चे निमित्त हो तो उपकार
Only with a true heart
सीखा जब सच्चे दिल
can you uplift others. Only when you have that true heart, then only you can uplift others.
सच्चे दिल से और
You
सच्चे
need
दिल
to
से
have that pure heart, pure desire, true heart,
विश्व राज अधिकारी
in order to have a right to the sovereignty of the kingdom of the world. Do you want to?
स्व उपकारी
Then what you have to do? You have to
भी बनो
uplift yourself and also have to uplift
ये सभी
others.
को वर्तमान समय पर हमारे
All
वास्तविक
this
जीवन
is
में जो
for
आदतें
the
हैं,
present.
लगता है।
How do we
कई
see
अपने
all this? We can see the lifestyle of each person and make out.
चाहिए मेरा ठीक होना
There are some people who think only about themselves.
फिर दूसरों
That is selfish.
दूसरों में
And then they think about
दो चार
others.
आसपास है उनका सोचते
Then, even if you think of others, you think only of those who are around you, those who surround you. Do you think of the whole world?
कुछ भी हर कर्म करते हुए
Whatever you do, whatever action you are
सोचो
doing,
क्या करना है
have this thought
कल्याण
that
इसमें
I have to transform the world,
कई
not
बार
just those around me,
पर भी
the world, whole
कुछ
world.
नया शुरू करते हैं
Even
कोई
in the
नई गतिविधि
centers,
करते हैं
when there is some newness, when there is some new assignment taken up, new
कहीं किसी
task,
भी देश में
that time,
उस विधि का पता चलता है तो वो अपनाना चाहते हैं कि
that
हम भी ऐसे
time,
करें हम भी ऐसे करें
other centers also follow it, saying, oh, this is working good. Let us also follow this. Let us also follow this.
तो ये जिसको बेस्ट पॉलिसीज कहते हैं कि जब
Whatever,
best
then it
best
becomes the
practices
best practices. One
जब एक
center
दूसरे
does
से
it first,
सीखने
and
को
then the
मिलता है
others follow, and then it becomes a practice, best
हम छोटे
practice.
छोटे थे
Why?
बच्चों की
Because
तरह
we all learn from
वो
each other.
कहते थे कि
When we were
वातावरण
all
को
little,
वेस्ट करने की
we were told that
इसका मतलब
don't
ये नहीं
make
कि
it a
गलत है
habit,
फराक दिल भी
no
नहीं है कि वेस्ट
wastage. We were taught not to waste
फराक
anything.
दिल वाला ही सोचता है कि बचाएं तो कहीं ना कहीं सेवा में लग जाएगा और कहीं लग जाएगा
It's a separate story that sometimes we think that
तो इसलिए
if we don't waste, we can use it for seva,
भावना रखो
some other
दिल
place.
का दिल मतलब भावना
So that is
तो
also
इस पर मुझे
a true
एक
heart.
बात बहुत अच्छी लगी
True heart means
कि
bhavana.
संपूर्णता में भावना में भी संपूर्ण
So this time I loved the fact what Baba said.
जैसे विश्व कल्याण की भावना है परोपकार की भावना ये भावनाएं हैं
Even having that bhavana of
तो ये
being
भावनाएं जब जगत से
complete,
उत्पन्न होती
that also comes from true
तो
heart.
किस तरह से अपनी भावनाओं को भी हम
So
संपूर्ण बनाएं
let us check
तो संपन्न
how
होंगे
our bhavana
भावनाओं में भी
is.
संपन्न
Even let our bhavana be
तो ये जो
complete
हम
and
आज सीख रहे
pure.
हैं सभी उसको होमवर्क लेके
So let us take it as homework.
कि मेरी कहीं कहीं भी भावना कम तो नहीं है
Let us check on our bhavana. Is my bhavana any less?
कि आप
No.
100 की दुआएं लेते हैं
Have that pure
अगर 8 भी
thought,
नहीं मिलती हैं
pure bhavana.
तो आप कभी भी संपन्न संपूर्ण नहीं बन सकते
Didi is saying that,
कोई भी
let
ऐसा
us
रास्ता है
talk about that 108 coming in that 108.
परंतु हम उस आत्मा को बाबा से वारिस बने उसमें वंचित नहीं कर सकते कोई भी
So Diti is saying that Baba has looks at everybody as same. We may look at other people and say that because of him I am not being able to make my Purusharth. But no, that is not the case. Let us look only at ourselves. Dadi Janki once asked कि how many of you stayed after listening to knowledge and how many of them are not there today? So it is totally up to you, only on your stability. And for that, we need everybody's blessings. When everybody is happy, when everybody is blissful, that time only the Ram Rajya can come. It is not that I will just take care of myself and Satyug will come. No. So don't think of only yourself only. Think about the whole world. Whoever has the feeling of uplifting others, then things change, things start moving. We need to have that pure feelings for everybody. Baba once said to all the old sisters and brothers, Baba keeps exactly the same kind of bhavana towards everybody, towards the whole world, does not differentiate. Similarly, you also have to think about the whole world because you are world transformers. Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन 1969 से
Avyakt Murli revision from 1969 onwards. Jewels of knowledge, pearls of love.
अव्यक्त वाणी
Avyakt
तारीख
Murli.
23 सितंबर
Date is
1973
23rd September 1973. World sovereign souls are those who give light and might to the souls of the world. There is a picture of the memorial of this, where there is the upheaval of ocean waves, and whilst being in the ocean, even whilst resting on a bed of snakes, that is, even whilst the atmosphere and the circumstances are that of sorrow, a snake bites and gives sorrow, there is still the experience of rest. This means that even when there are situations and such an atmosphere which bite or shake you, and though the poison would make you unconscious, you must make such an atmosphere the bed of peace and happiness. That is, make that place a place of rest. That is, let the soul constantly maintain its stage of rest. So, do you have the practical experience in your life of the image of the memorial? To remain cool in an atmosphere of coolness is not a big thing. Or to remain comfortable when you have the facilities for comfort is also ordinary. But to stay comfortable in a situation of restlessness is known as being multi-million
पदम
times
पदम
fortunate.
विमर्शनम्। तो ऐसे विषय सागर के बीच रहते हुए 5 विकारों को अपने आराम व सुख और शांति की शैया बनाना है।
So, while staying amid the ocean of poison, to make the 5 vices a bed for your rest, peace, and happiness, that is, to become the conquerors of the vices from now and for all time, and remain engaged in the churning of knowledge and in celebrating a meeting with the Father. Those who are stabilized in such a stage, that is, those who are constantly absorbed in the meeting with the Father, are constantly free from obstacles. If you are not absorbed in deep love, then there are definitely obstacles. Are the obstacles now being defeated when attacking you, or are you still defeated by the obstacles? Is it possible that even now you are still being defeated? This is impossible, is it not? At this time, are you those who defeat others or the ones who are defeated? You yourselves have become free from obstacles. So, what is the duty of those who are going to be free of them? Some are still becoming this, whereas others have already become this. Those who are to become this are busy with themselves, because as long as they themselves have not become this, they can only carry out this task of making others this according to their capacity. However, what is the duty of those who have already become like this? Their duty is to make others do this. So, you are making others this, are you not? Are you practicing charity begins at home? That is, have you made your companions this? Who are your companions? The companions of the Brahmin family. After making your companions the same as yourself, you have to make them the same as the Father. To be continued tomorrow.
और बाबा कहे महादानी तो बने हो, क्योंकि पढ़ाई और कमाई तो चल रही है.
Baba says that you are studying and continuing to earn an income, but you have to continue. Therefore, dear beloved Bap Dada's jewels of the eyes, the Pandav army, the Shiv Shakti army, let us put all that Baba says now into practical. There wasn't much service through words, but what is in the words? Raju knows. Raju Bhai, did Didi teach you? What is there in Baba's words.
अच्छी तरह से
Baba's version is worth millions, cannot be counted.
महावाक्य को
There are so many treasures.
कि मैं कितना बाबा ने जैसे आज बोला एक एक लाखों रुपए का है, लाखों गिनती नहीं कर सकते हैं।
Each treasure is worth millions,
तो दीदी ने
cannot
मुझे
be
कितना
counted.
खेलना सिखाया।
Didi taught me how to play with this treasure, the treasure of knowledge. If you want to play with the treasure of knowledge all the time,
तो मैं
then you can learn from me.
सीख सकते हो ना।
Do you want to learn?
इसमें खाली पर ये आराम से
There is a vacant seat. Sit comfortably, Dadi is telling someone.
ये दीदी ने सिखाया है।
Didi has taught us.
जब भी दीदी के साथ बाबा अव्यक्त होने के बाद
After Baba became Avyakt,
लेके जाती थी जहाँ था पंजाब में
Didi
रहती
used
थी।
to take
पहले
with
दीदी
her.
के साथ दिल्ली में भी सेवा पर रही थी।
I have gone with Didi
बाबा
to
अव्यक्त
so many
होने के बाद
places.
पंजाब,
She took me
बिहार,
to
नेपाल,
Punjab,
काठमांडू तक।
Bengal, Bihar, all the way to Kathmandu.
उसमें भी
There too,
तुम बताओ
she would say, "You tell me, you tell me."
चेक करती थी क्या नई नई बात सुनाती है। नहीं
She
सुनाती,
used to
इसको
check
बोलो।
whether I am telling any new things or am I repeating the same.
बड़ी दीदी ने मुझे चेक किया।
Senior Didi used to ask,
मधुबन में सुनाती थी तो कमल मन से
Kamal Mani,
क्या
tell me
सुनाया?
what did you say in Madhuban?
कमल मणि को वो दिन कभी भूलते नहीं है। तो ज्ञान रत्नों से खेलने का
We learned how to play with the jewels of knowledge
दीदी के साथ
and their value in the company of Didi.
जो मुख्य बात है
Main thing
देश है
is to forget the body and the bodily beings.
हाँ। वो दीदी ने पहले पहले
Didi not only forgot but also freed herself from the bondages of karma, attachment, maya, attachment.
ऐसा नहीं
Maya meaning not
बाबा ने सब
what worldly people think that Maya means wealth.
बाबा ने कहा नहीं माया
But Baba says no.
में भी पांच विकार
Maya means
संबंध में पांच विकार
5 vices in wealth, in body, and also in relationships too. Leave them.
लोभ मोह
Vices in wealth too, attachment, greed,
ये करेंगे
that makes you speak the lies. Didi was number one in this matter. She was number one in going beyond social taboos.
एक दीदी के अपने
I used to know Didi right from the beginning.
सिंध में मैं पहले से जानती थी
From the beginning in Sindh,
कि माँ हमारे लोग
Queen Mother
थी
used to visit our home, that is Didi's mother. She was very wise.
बड़ी सियानी थी
प्यारी सी कहानी है गोपी दीदी मस्तानी की गाथा बड़ी सुहानी है मस्तानी दीदी मनमोहिनी मीठी दीदी मनमोहिनी हो मीठी दीदी मनमोहिनी की प्यारी सी कहानी